KTLA's John Fenolio joins us in studio with more on the ceremony and the bloodshed. John.
Cher and Micah, the relocation of the U.S. Embassy upends decades of U.S. foreign policy and is arguably the most sensitive issue in the long-running Israeli-Palestinian conflict, where tonight the violence continues.
White House advisors Ivanka Trump and husband Jared Kushner leaving Israel, following a ceremony marking the official relocation of the U.S. Embassy from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem. A move resulting in violent protests in nearby Gaza and the West Bank. The Palestinian Ministry of Health reporting more than 50 people killed and nearly 3,000 injured by Israeli forces. The deadliest day in Gaza since the 2014 summer war. President Trump appearing by video to celebrate the new embassy location 5 months after he formally recognized the city as the capital of Israel.
President Trump, by recognizing history, you have made history.
The opening is intended to coincide with the 70th anniversary of the founding of the State of Israel. But for Palestinians, the date marks what they call the Nakba, or catastrophe, when hundreds of thousands were forced from their homes during the Arab-Israeli war that accompanied the creation of the Jewish state in 1948. Palestinians hope to claim part of Jerusalem as their future capital.
This is the life of the Palestinian people, and those who think that opening the embassy open doors to peace, let them look at what is really happening in the Gaza Strip.
The Trump administration is placing blame squarely on Palestinian militants.
We believe Hamas bears the responsibility. Look, this is a propaganda attempt.
Reaction around the world has varied. Saudi Arabia and Egypt have condemned Israel for what they describe as a violent use of force against Palestinian civilians. South Africa and Turkey have removed their ambassadors to Israel. Turkey has also withdrawn its ambassador to the U.S. And Iran says the move will speed up Israel's annihilation.
The possibility of having a peace process is related to creating an international forum that is not biased to one side. Today, the United States is completely biased to Israel.
Russia, the UK, and France say they disagree with the U.S. Embassy move. The funerals for those killed today are due to take place tomorrow, when more violence is expected. Back to you.
All right, John.